Hindi madali ang pagpasok sa buhay mag-asawa. May mga masasaya, ngunit may mga kaakibat ding kalungkutan. Pero sa panahon ng unos, sa panahon ng bagyo ng buhay o bagyo ng relasyon ninyo, kailangan na magkaisa kayo. Humingi ng gabay sa atin pong Panginoon Diyos. Dahil ang sandigan ng mag-asawa ay ang isa't isa at higit sa lahat ang ating Panginoon Diyos.
Eight years ago today, God unexpectedly put you into my life. And every day since then, I have thanked Him for giving me a person who loves me, who gives color into my life, who respects me, and who makes me happy.
From the moment na umamin ako sa'yo nung sinabi ko wala akong payong.
Hindi, nung niyaya ko siya, bumabagyo nun, sabi ko sa kanya wala akong payong. Pero may payong talaga ako. Sige, sabay kami. Isa lang payong namin. Eh, di ba katabi kami?
From that moment until now, yung 8 years, kahit anong araw mo ko tanungin kung gusto na ba kita pakasalan, first day pa lang, papayag na ako. Kasi unang kita ko pa lang sa'yo, alam ko nang ikaw yung gusto kong makasama.
Are you all happy for our newlyweds? Then can I ask you all to please stand and put your hands together as we now call in our newlyweds, Bien and Pao.
I hope Bien will love you like the way I love your mom.
Actually, unang date pa lang namin, sinabi ko na sa kanya yun. Sabi ko, gusto ko, pang matagalan.
Sabi niya, hindi naman kita i-friend kasi bala kitang jowain.
Hindi let's see. Hindi let's go out and let's see. Hindi. Sabi ko, gusto ko, eto na.
Okay nga po kasi feel ko, dinala siya sa akin ni Lord para mas maging closer ako kay God. Hindi ko naman siya hiniling. I mean, unexpected siya.
Oh my God, may bato pala to? Yo, I have a ring now.
My love, I promise to always love you, always choose to love you through highs and through our lows.
The phone rang, caught me off guard, and I know this feeling. No.
I will understand your needs and try to meet them. Okay? So, so yung mga pangarap mo pa, mga pangarap ko na rin yun. Yung mga gusto mo, gusto ko na rin. And yung mga ayaw mo, syempre ayaw ko na rin.
This is that right place and that right time. Standing on the front lines. This was our fire, still burning. Every ember I
Pero don't forget, Pao, that Mas mahal ko si Lord kaysa sa'yo.
Thankful ako kasi very close siya kay God. Kaya very ako, panatag ako sa kanya.
And alam kong favorite niya ako kasi ikaw papakasalan ko eh. So,
I promise to always be by your side. And promise to always support you in all your dreams and all you want in life.
hindi mo kakalimutan na mahal kita. Walang araw na dadaan na hindi mo mararamdaman na mahal ka. Okay ba?
This is that right place and that right time. Standing on the front lines. This is our fire, still burning. Every ember burning. And it's only just begun.
To Bien and Pao.
Only just begun. Oh, we've only just begun.
What the hell?
Only just begun.
What?
Only just
Oh,
Ikaw na magdadrive. Pupunta na doon.
Ako na?
oh wow, thank you po.
away from past mistakes. Was sleeping, now I'm wide awake. Close my eyes and something saying just keep dreaming. Grace and wisdom fight this feeling. Change our way of morning greeting. Opened eyes, but something saying just keep dreaming. Something saying just keep dreaming.
Yung buong 8 years naman, kahit anytime mo ako tanungin doon, sure ako eh. Hindi ako nagdalawang isip ever.
Kasi crush niya ako eh. So natupad yung pangarap niya. Ako ang pangarap niya.